Today on our 646th video, I'm Lalia from Sanskriti Kolkata. I'll be showing exclusive, much awaited tissue Kanjivaram sarees as well as patolas. So watch the video. These are all hand woven beautiful sarees, woven and curated from different states of India, especially the south, because these are all Kanchipuram sarees, patolas from Rajkot. So it's a nice amalgamation of fusion sarees as well. So watch the video, you will love it, the colors, the concept and the combinations also. The first saree, no buta, a rich zari border pallu, cellular stripe woven silk with this brocade blouse piece. Color is in a dual tone green and a turquoise combination. A very pretty saree in awesome shade, and the zari is a silver, not gold, but it's neither silver, it's a silverish color, you can say. The base color of the saree is without buta and it's dual tone. It's pure Kanchipuram silk and it's beautiful with cellular weave. The color combination dual tone in peacock emerald green, panna green jeta amra boli. Apurbo shari ebong par achol eগুলো সমস্ত woven, and this is the border, beautiful border pallu. It's very gorgeous combination. Saree number 1. The prices are all mentioned for booking. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp for booking. This is a cotton Kanjivaram saree with matha par, you know. It's a rich, these the typical traditional silk Kanjivaram, उसी का same loom में, मतलब वही in pure cotton ये वाला weaving हुआ है. In this blouse piece is running. It's a very fashionable saree in pure cotton, hand woven in check body. You can see these are all handloom woven temple. Ganga Jamuna border. It's a very fashionable, smart looking cotton Kanjivaram saree in body checks. Amazing saree, very pretty one. This is a semi silk patola. Just to keep the budget in mind, semi silk patola, the border is woven in antique tissue, very traditional. See the reverse side, it's all woven. And it has a very nice traditional, very pretty border. Usually these kind of borders you don't get to see. It's in tissue. Color is a dark navy and with very pretty pallu. 6990 number 3 WhatsApp for booking 760-3042-696. No phone calls, only WhatsApp 760-3042-696. First come first serve basis. Only after you make the payment we will confirm your booking. We are open every day now from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night till the first week of October. Very pretty saree, very pretty concept of these semi silk, very soft patola sari. Okay, after showing, I'll show more colors in that which is hanging. This is again a full silk patola, pure silk patola. This is a pure silk all over patola, very, very gorgeous sari. The blouse piece is along with the pallu. Look at this, it's lovely Rajkot patola in black, and it's heavy quality silk and very pretty. And here is the weaving. Number 4. Pure silk. Pure silk and gorgeous weaving. Very, very gorgeous weaving comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece will have just the gold border. Lovely sari. The semi-silk patola that I showed, I have 2 more options. This has the zigzag weaving. The first one that I showed, 6990, doesn't have any weave in the body. This has very pretty zigzag weave. It's not print, it's weave. Very pretty combination, and here the blouse piece will be plain with the border. The previous one had zari buta blouse. Since this body is with weave, this blouse piece comes plain with the border, and tassels are also attached. Soft flowy sari, semi silk, soft fabric. Price same, 6990, and this is the weave, very traditional tissue patola weaving border. The zigzag pattern ikkat you are seeing, this is also woven. If you see the reverse side, you will see this is also woven. 6990, another stunning soft lovely combination is this mustard yellow color. Fall of these saris are very pretty, and the quality is also very comfortable. Sometimes you may feel that think that these semi silks won't be comfortable, but yeah, I make sure even before I give to weave any product, I make sure that these are as much possible as skin friendly and comfortable. So 6990, semi silk patola weaving with matching blouse piece and tassels. The next one is a pure silk, very traditional combination. Throughout the year, this combination is in demand, and especially before the pujas, we get the best of collection of red border saris. And here comes a red border, pure silk patola. The border part is slightly tissue woven in bright red. Red के साथ tissue weaving के वजह से बहुत सुंदर एक coral color का look आया है. And this is the actual red, where with the weaving of the tissue, so it has come a nice coral color. And here is the rich red pure silk blouse piece. These are Rajkot patolas, and this is very, very pretty. Very beautiful sari. Border is prominent. Pure pattus. Must in every wardrobe, this combination of patola. Today our patolas will be very uncommon ones. The regular patolas like the black, red, whites that you usually see, those to hai. Lekin today what I will display are very unusual colors in patola. This is the blouse piece. It's a dual tone color, and the sari itself is also in cross color, dual color in grey with a fuchsia border. Very, very pretty weaving, multi-colors weaving. This is the pallu, very, very exclusive patola, heavy quality silk and very pretty weaving. Certain patola weaves are too much clumsy. These are very sober concept of weaves, but multiple colors. Excellent weaving. Very fresh color combination. Beautiful shade of yellow with pink and leaf green, with small buttas and border. Another stunning shade. Heavy quality silk, pure pattu weaves. Number 7 with this blouse piece. Another stunning combination of a mint green, a pista color with pink patola border. The body is in small. What you're seeing in this check sari, these are check silk patolas with small ikkat weaving throughout the. It's not that the body is plain. The body has small patola weaves. If you see these dots, these are patola weavings only. And this is the check silk with a nice rich contrast border, pallu, blouse piece. Very gorgeous. These color combination of pista, and look at the rich combination in the border. Very pretty colors. Hold your breath for this gorgeous munia tota border double patola. Just amazing, exclusive weave in a very, very sober combination. Absolutely stunning double patola with tota border. With the color, the border is going so sober. Sometimes you have occasions in the afternoon and you can't find out, all you have are deep color saris. So this patola, double patola, is just one that you can wear in the evening, during the day, and for many, many years. Beautiful piece. Let me know how you're liking the products. I look forward to your messages, comments. Do share and subscribe to our channel if you are liking Sanskriti Kolkata's saris. Another double patola with traditional bird border. This color is a lovely subtle fuchsia shade. These are all dual tone and you see so many colors. Double patola with a very rich different border pallu, and here is the blouse piece. Very unusual color combinations. I try to curate saris which are little rare in colors, not the traditional typical. These are traditional saris but not the typical shades. Double patola. Superb tissue patola. Double patola with tissue weaving. Just amazing. Double patola tissue saris in rich golden red. Just stunning piece. I would suggest those who are looking for exclusive saris, but maybe last moment puja shopping, you don't miss out these saris. These will be, these are very rare pieces. This is the blouse piece. It's very fine silk, soft, comfortable to wear, lightweight, yet it is so rich. Double tissue patolas in pure silk. Color combinations are very, very pretty color combinations with lovely, look at this, green and coral, vermilion, fire color with green and all double tissue patolas. Just amazing. Saris that will leave an impression wherever you go, and तब याद करना संस्कृति कोलकाता. I try to keep the range pure hand woven saris, but as minimum as possible, because we outsource saris. I personally visit and do the selection, so you get the best of rates. Now patola में थोड़ा सा hand work हुआ है to give it a very rich look. So बहुत customers ऐसे ट्रेडिशनल साड़ीज आप शादी में या कोई फॉर्मल ओकेशन में पहनते हैं, लेकिन वो रेगुलर वीव होता है, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा सा पार्टी वेयर अगर टच चाहिए तो ये प्योर सिल्क पटोला विथ इन अ रिच बॉटल ग्रीन कलर एंड मोती वर्क इन द बॉर्डर पल्लू, all hand work, and also in the lower buta. So see how pretty the buta's embroidery are. बूटा के ऊपर एकदम हैंड वर्क का बॉर्डर है. कलर इज अ सुपर्ब कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इन दिस मोती एंड ऑफ कोर्स द बॉटल ग्रीन. सो क्लोजली आई शो यू द वीव. सिंस इसमें इतना अच्छा काम हुआ है हाथ का, बॉडी का वीव बहुत सोबर छोटा छोटा दाना बूटा है, और इसका लोअर बॉर्डर में ये इक्कत का बूटा से बड़ा बूटा. पल्लू उसके बीच बीच में पूरा हाथ का काम है, और ये वाला जो रिवर्स साइड फिनिशिंग है, फॉल एंड फिनिशिंग इज ऑलरेडी डन. नाउ आई विल शो यू द क्लोज अप ऑफ द हैंडवर्क. Exclusive patola sari with handwork. So I have another color option in this. This is in hand woven patola. That was in pure pattu. This is in pure handloom raw silk. पहले तो सिर्फ पट्टू ही होता था, अब टसर, रॉ सिल्क्स, बहुत सारा फैब्रिक में वीविंग हो रहा है. अलग अलग लुक दे रहे हैं अलग अलग वीवर्स, लेकिन ये सब हैंड वोवन है और प्योर है. और ये जो बॉर्डर का काम देख रहे हैं वो भी हाथ का है. Traditional saris with value addition. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, we courier worldwide via courier. Regularly, our parcels are being shipped throughout the world. Now, here comes the first brocade Kanjivaram in one of my favorite shades of ivory and yellow. Gold weave, very classy. The yellow is a mustard yellow, golden mustard yellow color with gold zari. Very, very classy. Now I would like to show the inside weave, because हर साड़ी का inside जो self on self gold का weaving है, उसका जो खूबियां है वो दिखने में, सामने से दिखने में तो शायद आपको तुरंत पसंद आ जाएगा, लेकिन कैमरा में थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में हम दिखाएंगे. अब ये हो गया साड़ी. अब आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन अ बिट डिटेल्स ऑफ द बॉर्डर, बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज. नाउ कैन यू सी, दिस इज अ जामेवार वीव. ये जो बॉर्डर है इसमें 3 पार्ट है. एक जामेवार वीव है, एक ब्रोकेड जरी का वीविंग है और एक सिर्फ जरी का वीविंग है। तो एक बॉर्डर में 3 पार्ट का वीविंग हुआ है ये सिल्क साड़ी में, ब्रोकेड कांजीवरम में। बॉडी पूरा सिल्क कांजीवरम के ऊपर पूरा सिर्फ जरी का चेक करके बूटा हुआ है और ऊपर का बॉर्डर बहुत सोबर स्लीक, सिर्फ 2 बॉर्डर, एक बॉर्डर हटा के 2 बॉर्डर का। तो आप गोल्ड ज्वेलरी पहनिए, इसमें बहुत सुंदर लगेगा। और ये है ब्लाउज पीस और पल्ला का काम और बूटा, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है। रेंज वाइज भी ये एक रिच लुक दे रहे हैं। अब हम दिखाएंगे आपको जाल वीव साड़ी। ब्लैक के ऊपर रानी बॉर्डर पल्लू, ब्लाउज पीस। इसमें 2 जरी का इस्तेमाल हुआ है, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर। जाल फ्लोरल में है, पूरा ट्रेडिशनल टाइप का कांजीवरम बॉर्डर है। 18,500 एंड ये है इसका वीविंग और बॉर्डर। ये सब बहुत सुंदर वीविंग, हल्का साड़ी है, पहनने में भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, मतलब भारी नहीं होगा। टिश्यू कांजीवरम्स, the much awaited tissue kanjivaram in lovely shade of gold and pink, rich zari weave with blouse piece. Those who love traditional sarees, ये एक बहुत सुंदर टिश्यू कांजीवरम, येलो एंड पिंक के ऊपर। एक्सेलेंट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पिस्ता, इट्स अ जेड ग्रीन कलर एंड रानी पिंक एंड ग्रीन। Beautiful shades, all the shades are so unique and classy. Sober colors, I'll show sober colors. And just once, this is the border. Green, dual tone, green. This is a monotone color, monotone in the sense all green, but dual tone all green. So it has a thread of leaf green and turquoise, so it's giving a very nice cross color. This is the, oh, this is just, I have to cut the thread, it's just a, anyway I just cut it. This is the pallu, 18,900, and it comes with the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be, end is not the blouse, this is the blouse piece, so you just have to cut and take out the blouse. This is the blouse piece. Well, so this is the color of the sari, this is the blouse piece. Very pretty sari in green, beautiful shade. I have another lovely combination of this fuchsia pink shade, similar type, green and fuchsia, 2 color combination with rich gold border. Stunning piece, and here goes the blouse piece. See the saree now. Our evergreen combination from Utsavi collection throughout the year. This is very much in demand because it's one of the most In demand color gold and red, because the mother-in-law or the mother-in-law, the elder sister, anybody would love to wear this for a wedding or for any anniversaries, regardless of any age, no bar. This is so beautiful and a very traditional Meena Jal weave brocade Kanjivaram, tissue Kanjivaram. It's so beautiful. Comes with this rich red border and pallu. Blouse piece also. Red blouse piece. Just superb. Gold. और बीच में देखिए ये है इसका वीविंग. Another very pretty tissue Kanjivaram is this with very beautiful Meena. Firstly, check out the border. बहुत modern leaf pattern का border है इसमें. साड़ी में जो मीना जाल चेक वीव है, इसमें चेक के ऊपर छोटा छोटा माहीन वीव है, वो इतना सटल है कि इसको लग रहा है कि पूरा मस्टर्ड ही है, लेकिन इसमें पूरा मीना और जरी के साथ फुल वीविंग है. इसका बॉर्डर में रिवर्स वीविंग है. द लीफ कलर्स इज इन ऑरेंज एंड पिंक एंड हियर कम्स द ब्लाउज पीस. Superb rich pink shade blouse piece and the pallu. Tissue Kanjivaram with this blouse piece, brocade blouse piece. Very pretty one. Not only is it pretty, it is very grand. कुछ साड़ीज बहुत सुंदर होते हैं और वेरी सटल लुक है, लेकिन इसमें सुंदर तो है ही, इसके साथ साथ आपका एक बहुत रिच लुक होगा. बहुत रिच लुक है. ये सब टिश्यू कांजीवरम पे है. ये वाला भी देखिए. लुक एट दिस अमेजिंग साड़ीज इन लाइट वेट, easy to wear, comfortable, and these South sarees obviously are, because since the South people are very tall, they are blessed with good height, so these इसका width, length सभी बहुत थोड़ा बड़ा होता है नॉर्मल साड़ी से. देखिए इसका फॉल. Tissue Kanjivaram with blouse piece along with the achol. So here is the sari. Look at the weave now. Zigzag pattern. This is the weave. Gold. देखा का बारे में हर बार याद आएगा ये कॉन्सेप्ट साड़ी देखने के बाद. रेखा जी हैज also our Kiran Kher ji. These kind of sarees, they've made it so famous. The look, all gold tissue Kanchipuram with a mustard woven border. It's class. It's class. And trust me, when you receive the sarees, जब भी आपको ये inside का weaving दिखेगा, इतना अच्छा लगेगा. कभी कभी ना ये कैमरा में आपका inside weave ज़्यादा दिखता नहीं है, मतलब you cannot see, you can just see it as a flat zari. लेकिन अब जब सामने मिलेगा आपका ये अंदर का जो weaving है उसके ऊपर, लेकिन जो आप पहनने के बाद आपका सामने आसपास का आदमी लोग ही देखेगा आपका ये साड़ी. यहाँ पे तो इतना सारा कैमरा में दिख रहा है, लेकिन when you wear it, आपका आसपास का लोग दिखेगा, अप्रिशिएट करेगा, उसको ये बहुत अच्छी तरह नजर में आएगा. Superb shade. Suddenly lavender, lilac, purples are very much in now, and this is a very gorgeous, unusual shade of lavender. Brocade tissue Kanchipuram sari. Very pretty. Just superb. Very pretty sari, lavender color, टिश्यू कांजीवरम लैवेंडर, दिन रात कभी भी पहनिए गोल्ड ज्वेलरी के साथ, वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. इवन अ ब्राइड कैन वेयर दिस ऑन हर रिसेप्शन. मॉडर्न ब्राइड, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस. स्मॉल बूटा पे है इसका इनसाइड वीविंग, छोटा छोटा बूटा में है. अब हमारा साड़ी ये एक अनकॉमन कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बर्गंडी, टिश्यू कांजीवरम. देखिए पूरा फॉल कैसा आया, प्लीट कितना सुंदर, इसको प्लीट्स देखिए. साड़ी का फॉल अगर प्लीट अच्छा पड़े ना, स्टिफ होगा, कोई टिश्यू होने से ही सबको समझ में आता है कि स्टिफ होगा. ये प्योर वीविंग में स्टिफ नहीं होगा. इसके साथ आपको ये वाला ब्लाउज पीस मिल रहा है एंड द ब्लाउज पीस इज साड़ी इज 20,900. 20,900. वेरी रिच टिश्यू कांजीवरम साड़ी. You must even if you are little reluctant in buying, so दो साड़ी कम खरीद कर एक अच्छा साड़ी लीजिए. ये टाइप का साड़ी लेना ही है. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है और हमारा आज का ज्वेलरी भी एकदम नया कलेक्शन से है. वो है ये वाला, देखिए कितना सुंदर सेट है ये. 4300 इसका प्राइस है. 4,300. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी पीस. आई लव्ड इट. मोती का जो इसका डिटेलिंग है और इसमें जो ग्रीन और पिंक का मैजेंटा का जो स्टोन सेटिंग है, वेरी ट्रेडिशनल साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल ज्वेलरी. वेरी प्रिटी. आई लव्ड इट. 4,300. साड़ी प्राइस 20,900 and the set of 6 bangles 3,300. 3,300. set of 6. set of 6 3,300. इसमें भी बूटाज है, स्टोन सेटिंग है. नाउ थोड़ा सा नौटंकी होगा हमारे से. ये है पूरा साड़ी जैसी. पहले आपका ब्लाउज आ रहा है. ये ऐसे ही रोला में लग्जरी बनारसी साड़ीज. कैसे है वीव देखिए. हम आपको ये लाठी में नहीं देंगे, हम आपको फोल्ड करके ही देंगे, लेकिन हम आपको ये आता है ऐसे. आपको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड चेंज करके करके रखना. ये पूरा हैंड वीविंग साड़ी है. अब साड़ी देखिए. इट्स अ टिश्यू नेट साड़ी, एक्सक्लूसिव हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट. Salmon peach color combination. This is the weave. Jamdani weave in tissue net jamdani, premium silk, featherweight, lightweight muslins with the blouse piece. Blouse piece में ये border आएगा. So gorgeous, so beautiful. I just wanted to show a few more before the pujas, but ये hand woven में बहुत टाइम लगता है और ये कलकत्ता का बारिश में थोड़ा सा मेरा डिले हो गया ये एपिसोड रेडी करने में. So but anyway, this is the pastel shade of the साड़ी and the मीना. इसमें जो कलर्स यूज हुआ है बहुत subtle, crayon sky, crayon pink, gold, zari. It's class. Another one, number 27. It's pink. Look at the weave of this. Look at the weave of this. that was in a peach shade. This weave is also different. This is in a rose pink, pale rose color shade. Superb. ये जो weaving है ना, बहुत एक rich राजस्थानी आर्ट जैसा, वो वॉल्स में हमारा मॉन्यूमेंट्स और फोर्ट्स में जैसा पेंटिंग होता है उसी पैटर्न का ये है. और इसका ब्लाउज ये आएगा. टिश्यू नेट मसलिन साड़ी, जामदानी. This is a Benaras woven sari, very gorgeous, superb. Normal maintenance, 3-4 times wearing, once polish, again 3-4 times wearing, and then dry clean. बस थोड़ा सा फोल्ड चेंज करके रखिएगा, बट 1-1.5 साल अगर आप नहीं पहन रहे हो साड़ी, थोड़ा सा फोल्ड चेंज करके रखिए. अब है एक तो गोल्ड टिश्यू साड़ी, ऑल गोल्ड टिश्यू with a satin border, mushroom satin border, and red tassels, handmade red tassels. You can open the tassel also. 13,900 comes with this blouse piece. Again, another stunning all gold saree. Number 28. So you can have an option of raw silk hand embroidered blouses like this. You can buy the blouse separately and the sari separately also. Price of the pure raw silk embroidered handwork sari blouse is 3,250 rupees is the blouse, the neckline, the back, the sleeves, dono neckline, sab, it's done, and the fabric is in pure raw silk. Next is this very gorgeous woven tissue sari. Very gorgeous in green with green tassels, and this is the blouse piece. Gold and green, lightweight, pure hand woven tissue sari. Very pretty and rich looking. Tissues are so in. Range wise, very gorgeous handloom sarees in very stunning shades of pink, green that I showed. This is the blouse piece. Lovely, isn't it? So just take the screenshot, and if you want to visit the store, you can do. Tailoring options available. We'll be taking orders till last week of September. Actually, we'll be taking orders till we close on Shoptami. We'll be closing for Shoptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami. I think Ekadashi is Sunday, so Monday we reopen. So the dates will be announced in the Facebook and Insta also, and also our WhatsApp status. So meanwhile, check out our live videos also. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery in Kolkata only. So this is the last piece. Hope you like the video. Expecting your reviews and your feedback. Thank you.